Good day everyone, this is Sumalino Julian. So today I'm going to make a demonstration video about installing OS, drivers, and application software using the Oracle VirtualBox. First, let's go to virtualbox.org and then go to the download tabs to see the platform packages that the VirtualBox have. Since I am using Windows, so I'm going to click the Windows host and put it on this preferred file that you want to put the application. And once we have downloaded the application, you go to the file and then double click the application to start the setup, of course. So it says preparing to install, and then we'll have the VirtualBox setup wizard that says it's ready to install. Then select the next button. Just leave everything as default and then click the next button and make sure to check all the boxes, and so you will receive a network interfaces warning, so just click the yes button and then of course click install to start installing. It will take a while until there's like a finish button already, and so of course click that one. Once we have already finished doing our setup, let's go to the Oracle virtual machine manager and then click settings, and then you'll see the generals, and then you'll input the name of the preferred, its type, and the version. So you just input the things that you want to input, and then the system is okay, just leave it as default, and the processor depending on you, but don't exceed to the maximum limit. And then the monitor count, that also depends on you. Then let's go to the storage, and then there's like an empty sign there. Click that one, the one with the disk image, and then click the disk, and then choose a disk file, and then choose the ISO file. And the network, just leave the rest as default and then select OK. And then you click the start button, the one with the green one. So if you're having a problem like this, you just click or do Control Alt and to release the mouse and the keyboard. Setup will ask you about the product key, so just click I don't have a product key, and then you continue with accepting the license term and then the type of installation you want, and then close. Oh, that's right after before the asking for the product key. So the application notice and license term, just accept the license terms. And again, where do you want to install Windows? So you can choose the drive, the unallocated space, or you can create new or format. And then once you have the partition 2, or you can click next. So it's now installing Windows, but then they're still setting things up, and then they would ask you how would you like to set up. So you click for the option you want and then wait again. After that, they're going to ask to add your account, so you can put email, phone, or Skype. You can also create a offline account for this one. Click then the next button, and then it's going to ask who's going to use this PC. Put the name. Of course, you have to make a password that's memorable, and then confirm the password. And they're going to ask for security questions for the account you're making. So just answer the questions, and then of course you have to remember the answers you put. And then you can choose the privacy settings for your device, so you can just like turn anything on or off, and then you click the accept button or learn more if you want to learn more about it. Then proceed with the activity. So it says this might take several minutes, so that is really literal taking of several minutes. Okay, so we're done. We actually made we actually run Windows 10 through VirtualBox. And then if you want to, of course, venture out, you can click the application softwares that is already built in the ISO file, like Windows, or in our case I have Word, Excel, OneNote, Outlook, PowerPoint, Publisher, Microsoft Edge. Those are all application softwares. And I guess we are done. So thank you for tuning in our demonstration video.